Good morning to everyone. Myself K. Kodanguma. Today video presentation of operators in C language. C is rich of many operators to form various type of expressions. Operator. It is a symbol used to represent some operation or computation. And operand. Operand is a data name or data value which operators perform operations. Classification of operators. Unary operators, binary operators, ternary operators. Unary operators. The operators perform an operation on only one operand. Binary operators. These operators perform an operation on two operands. Ternary operands. These operators perform an operation on three operands. Types of operators in C. Arithmetic operators, relation operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, and special operators. What is arithmetic operator? These operators are used to perform mathematically arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are binary operators, hence requires two operands to perform operations. Operators are plus, minus, multiply, into, and divided by percentile. Written values are some difference, product, quotient, and remainder. Examples are 28 plus 7 equals 35, 28 minus 7 equals 21. Let's see a program on arithmetic operators. Preprocessor and header file in domain int declaration printf enter values of a and b by n. Scanf to read the printf sum equals to a plus b. Printf and relational operators. These operators are used to compare two operands or data items or expressions to give a relation between them, and they are also called as comparison operators. These are also called binary operators. The result of a relation of expressions is always a boolean value, either true or false. If the relation is true, it returns 1, otherwise 0. These operators are mainly used in selection or looping statements for framing conditions. Operators greater than, equals to, less than, or equals to, not equals to. Example: 25 greater than equals to 15. Example: return value 1. 35 greater than 45, 0, false. 15 greater than equals to 15, true, 1. 35 greater less than 65, 1, true. 45 less than 25, 0, false. 15 less than equals to 15, true, 1. 10 equals to 10, true, 1. 15 equals to 10, not false, true, 0. Program on this is a program for relation operators. Preprocessor, int main, int declaration, printf statement, scanf statement. Here is a relation operator is n greater than or equals to 18, print eligible for voting, or else not eligible for voting. Output: the enter age for a person, user enter 20%, they are eligible for voting. Third one, logical operators. These operators are used to know the logical relationship between two Boolean expressions. The result of these operators is also as a Boolean value. These operators must be applied between two Boolean values. Following table shows of list of logical operators: logical and, logical or, logical not. 25 greater than 15, logical, and 85 greater than 90, true. Got a written value 1. Logical or 25 greater than 35, logical or 85 less than 90, true, equals to 1. Let's see a program on logical operators. Preprocessor, int main, printf statement, declaration, scanf. Here the relational operators: age greater than equals to 18, logical, and age greater less than 100. Printf eligible for voting, else printf not eligible for voting. And fourth one, assignment operators. These operators are used to assign, store some value, the result of expression, to whereas it is denoted as equals to. The syntax is variable equals to value or expression. Example: sum equals to 10. The value of 10 is assigned to sum. Sum equals to 25 plus 45. The result of the expression is 25 plus sum. Here the example is sum equals to sum plus remainder, is also written as sum plus equals to remainder. Fifth one, increment and decrement operators. C supports two powerful operators called increment and decrement operators, used to increase and decrease the value of its operand by 1 respectively. It is denoted as plus plus and minus minus. These are unary operators. The operator plus plus adds 1 to its operand. The operator minus minus subtracts 1 from of its operand. Consider an operand m. Increment of m is denoted by m plus plus and increment of m is denoted by m minus minus. Increment decrement are in two different forms. Pre-increment and post-increment denoted as plus plus m or m plus plus. Pre-decrement minus minus m and post-decrement m minus minus. And conditional operators. The ternary operators pair is known as conditional operator. It is also called ternary since it requires three operands to perform an operation. It is similar to if statement since this operator is used to construct conditional expressions for the following syntax. Experiment 1, experiment 2, experiment 3. Here the program for conditional operators. Preprocessor, header file, int main, int age, printf statement, scanf statement. And here is a conditional operator. Age greater than or equals to question mark print for eligible voting. Here the user enter the page of the person is 20. They are eligible for voting. Last one, bitwise operator. These operators perform manipulation of bits rather than the numbers, hence they are also called bit manipulation operators. Following table shows list of bitwise operators. Operators meaning example. Right shift example, left shift example, bitwise and bitwise or bitwise not, and bitwise or. Thank you.